Guys, before I made this plantain and egg, my wife said she don't want it too. That's why I set this camera. Let me pretend as if I'm making my normal video. My juice is here. You just watch, just watch. You don't wait, I'm not waiting. Eat better food. Ah, this plantain came out very well. It's the right plantain. So guys, what I always say is when you are cooking, take time to prepare ahead.
You don't cook on fish. Why you don't cook on me?
It's not, it doesn't take much to prepare food. But most of us don't really know how to prepare food. Me, I like selecting my idea on video now.
Then shit, everything that they look for.
Pass now. I'm thinking of starting something like, because not everything a man can make. For me, there's some food that I prefer my wife or a woman to make. Things like egg, plantain, things like custard, things like boiling of rice. Sometimes light food, but those basic soup and all those things, I always prefer a woman to do it. So that's how it is.
Never finish your video, but look at me.
So that's why I made this evening. Something very different. That's why I tried it. And even I don't do this kind of thing. I did on videos. You not say you want it now. Don't do I'm ready now. You spoil this video. I don't think you delete this part now. You come up for there now.
You let me eat now.
What?
Yeah, give me my.
Oh yeah, I don't want end video start at first again. You wait first.
Yeah, give my mama come up for your camera.
Why you do this kind of thing? I don't feel giving you on. You say you don't want it. Yeah. So guys, if you are preparing, just come out for
give me first, go inside.
I know we'll end this video. I know I want to start at first. Dress might begin again. Go down. I know if we give you.
You give me now. You won't finish all this one.
So there's a way a man can prepare its own meal. Sometimes just assist in the kitchen.
Give me my go inside.
Sometimes as a man, just assist in the kitchen. The little things you can do. That's why I mean it. I'm not gonna ever give you. I'm not gonna ever give you ever. You say you don't want it. You say
I don't want it.
When you make your banga soup and all those things, if I mistake you don't say I don't want it, you change, you go back. Hell, never. If you don't,
baby, put small for me. You can't finish it.
What if you other one? You let me finish. What do you want from me now?
You're just being wicked.
My second name now, Mr. Ben Wicked.
Your video not the long they go. Give me my go.
I know if you cut them more. You know, just let me be this. Okay.
Baby, put for me now.
Oh, you be this one. Not trying. Your banga soup, you don't do me.
Baby, the food don't call. Give me my
banga soup, you do me. You don't do me. Agbono soup, you don't do me. Why I will give you? I know give you.
You let her eat for inside. I don't say I don't want it. I
say, this food,
I never wake up. I said I never wake up. Best you never wake up. They ask me what you want it.
You say, can I do something for come over here? No, I say okay.
Sorry, give me.
Just scratch my hair over here.
Hey, give me first.
Go back. I was the team count, so you do it. Go back. Man, the team count.
Your hair when you know they wash.
Oh, even.
Give me
I don't say do one thing. You want it, don't want work.
Oh yeah, sorry.
They rub my hair, go back. Man, the team count, what I go give you because
I'm sorry, give me. I don't need that. Sorry.
No, but I say me you do. I said rub bam. I said rub and it is sweet me. I want the feel that. So guys, as a man, like I was saying before this screen.
Give me black.
I can never give you. Never. Wait. Hey, see you pack your hand, put like Gani, you won't pack everything. When you let me eat, me I won't go for this house.
Baby, you go not cold self.
You don't cold, and they pay me. No say the weather cold, the food and they cold.
Just the spit put. That your finger went strong like.
That's good for you.
Be like at last.
I know if you give you.
Daddy, you want to eat plantain, right? Why? Yes, Benjamin want to eat plantain. Plantain is good for baby. Oh yeah, give me the blend, and we'll go give my son.
Benjamin, you want to eat plantain or not?
Yes.
Yes, sit down with daddy and eat.
No, you don't want to sit down.
Why I go give you me if you don't mind?
You don't sabi feed pikin. Give me my go feed that inside house. Give me.
No, Benjamin.
Benjamin say, but daddy give me.
Eat that one.
No. Say no, you're not.
Oh, this one, man. Why you turn back now?
Say you want mommy to feed me. Say I want mommy to feed me.
Food don't ever enter my body for this house.
He said I want mommy to feed me. Say please, daddy, I love you, daddy.
Say, not the different when your mother do bad
thing. Say kiss you, see? Yeah, again, say thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Love you.
You're my best friend. Ooh, with your katanos. Yeah, put for me.
Now they do this kind of thing. Wait. Better than one. Now you want this one.
Don't put this.
Hell!
Oh, baby.
Why did I do that? This one hold me for neck. What if you all this one? Now you pay me for body. I don't agree.
No.
Carry that one, go. Carry that one, go.
Ah, when you don't wash. I wash my own.
Now me cook, now me wash.
Yeah, put small.
Yeah, they come up for this house.
This one not rich now.
Eat that one. They do
Make
it.
them call you don't want. You beg. You know beg.
Only. Wait.
No, you put small. Make day small. You don't even reach anything.
Oh, Mr. Ben. Check before you marry. No, not check.
You not check.
You say I check. I follow the suffer. This one is
Your
suffer
wife now
to
is
do.
the youngest wife for this
Eat
world.
that one. You different from other women.
Uh-huh.
You're
Very
different.
bad
You different.
Very bad woman.
Different from other women.
Very, very bad woman.
Different from other women.
She's not a white material at all. Because you go to turn your back like
They go. And the back one for you.
yeah, give me this. Uma put egg. Oh.
Why you pack on this one?
Baby, you put my microwave this thing. Don't go. Ah. No, Daddy, you know this small. I just want you. Don't go kill your papa.
On the last day, only true believers. Family problem. Can make many men the old quick. Family problem. Many men don't old. See what they can't do me for you now.
Daddy, come, let's go.
You spoil my video. You tantalize me. You.
So I said no be because of me make you start this video. Made for embarrass me for camera. And
When you do your own bagasso, you know the
you
serious.
just carry this one.